Ladies and gentlemen, Geely and NIO partnership reshapes NIO exclusivity, prompting industry competition in innovative power exchange technology among leading car manufacturers. Yesterday, we discussed this, discussions between Geely Lotus and NIO, and today we have confirmation. Today, you have learned that NIO has signed a deal with Geely. Let's explore what the CEO said, why the stock price isn't moving, what the major concerns are, and what this really means. Firstly, this deal was signed in Hangzhou, and you can go and see that many people from both companies were present at the signing. And today, the CEO said, Mr. Li Shufu, chairman of Geely Holding Group, Mr. Gan Yu, CEO of Geely Automobile Group, Mr. Liu Jin, CEO of Link EE Internet Technology, a subsidiary of Geely Holding Group, along with Fang and Shen, signed an agreement on strategic cooperation for battery swap in Hangzhou. Moving forward, both sides will engage in comprehensive cooperation in various fields, including battery standard, power exchange network, power exchange technology, power exchange service, construction and operation, car replacement, R&D and customization, and battery asset management and operation. Driven by national policies, the coverage of the power exchange network is increasing day by day, and the power exchange mode is becoming more popular among electric vehicle users. NIO rechargeable, replaceable, and upgradable service system has created an industry for private car users. The subsidiary of Geely Holdings, EE Internet, has been working in the car exchange market for many years and is now rapidly expanding the power exchange network. The basic strategy of both sides is built on a hand-in-hand approach to sharing and opening up their advantages based on existing business. They will collaborate on all-around power exchange, utilizing their business foundations to jointly create two major power exchange standard systems for private cars and operating vehicles. Enhance collaboration and coordination among vehicle terminals, station terminals, battery terminals, and operation terminals, and provide more convenient, efficient, and secure services for users with diverse needs through the expansion of the power exchange network. This collaboration marks a significant step toward progress in new infrastructure and energy, contributing to the low-carbon transformation of the automotive industry. Chairman Li Shufu has consistently directed everyone's attention towards sustainable development and carbon neutrality. His profound understanding of the power exchange model is evident. He emphasized that it represents a new and crucial method for charging energy vehicles. To achieve robust progress in the power exchange model, it should be promoted by all segments of the industry. He hopes that through this collaborative effort, mutual support on both sides will be strengthened, thereby accelerating collaboration across the power exchange industry chain. Chairman Li Shufu, as a leading figure in the Chinese automotive market, states that Geely Holding has made rapid progress in the new energy sector. In recent years, both NIO and Geely have strategically invested in power exchange technology and networks, specifically for private cars and operating vehicles. They have successfully implemented rich proposals for power exchange services. It is anticipated that this collaboration will further popularize the power exchange mode, providing a superior and user-friendly power exchange experience to a larger audience. The next step involves developing a dedicated power exchange network for NIO users, enhancing their powerful experiences, and initiating the construction of a power exchange network for multi-brand sharing and collaboration with partners. A decision has been made to open up the NIO Power Exchange Network and NIO Energy Cloud for the entire industry. Both Changan and Geely are representatives of leading central and private enterprises in the automobile industry. The participation of these two major automobile companies will rapidly promote power exchange standards, aiding in the accurate uniformity of intelligent electric vehicle industry development. Geely has a significant presence in the taxi service sector and possesses its battery swap infrastructure. However, attention is now being directed towards a crucial question. Will there be long lines for new owners, and will NIO not benefit because it is essentially providing battery swap technology? This is likely why the stock isn't seeing significant growth, as there is no specific advantage, and NIO is sharing its battery swap technology. This is a critical development. NIO is creating a separate system for other brands, and its current infrastructure is exclusive to NIO and its customers. Both companies will expand, making NIO exclusive infrastructure and power swap infrastructure available to everyone. However, this is not yet ready. This is an intriguing move. Why is NIO taking this path? Because, at the current state, battery swap technology is not very profitable. The new CEO initially stated that approximately 60 swaps are needed for a swap station to break even. According to current data, only about 20% of all swap stations in China have reached or exceeded this break-even point. This means that 80% of swap stations are operating at a loss, which is unfortunate. So it is clear that this will help them avoid losses and hopefully make money in the future. Now, if you look at Geely branding, we have Polestar, Zeekr, Proton. These are all big companies. Then there's Lotus. Volvo is Geely's own brand, and also Total, which is a taxi service directly competing with Didi in China. I personally have never tried them, but they exist. Quite large as well, so we might soon see attempts to improve these other car companies as well. I think Polestar will be a very important company because it's a very good one. You might be familiar with it, but it's not selling as well in China. Their sales are quite weak, and they are a direct competitor to NIO. In my weekly delivery breakdown, I don't include them in any metric because their numbers don't matter at all. Now Zeekr, you might know I include Zeekr in it, but Zeekr is obviously a bit cheaper than NIO average price, so this will be quite interesting. You know, why should someone buy NIO if all these other car companies can also switch to better options after this deal? And this is a valid concern. But the thing is, you have to remember that NIO existing infrastructure will continue to grow. All these swap stations exclusive to NIO, and within the NIO ecosystem, you can do a lot there, such as upgrading the battery, short-term upgrades, and such fancy things that perhaps may not be available with other brands that adopt battery swap in the future. Now these brands are mostly looking for alternative ways to improve their products. According to national policy, this is more related to concerns about battery safety and battery health. So this will help the entire industry overall. Now we have encountered 2 downs. We have 3 more to go through, and rumors have been circulating. This too was a rumor. You know, Geely was also mentioned, and it turned out to be true. So indeed, it could be Mercedes, Porsche, and perhaps another Chinese auto company. It's very possible that Ford might collaborate with NIO as well because Ford vehicles are not selling well in China. If they want to expand there, they will have to go down this path. Many people are saying that other companies will benefit more from NIO than NIO itself. I believe this is excellent brand validation. It will make those who are saying that NIO will go bankrupt rethink. In the future, when they build swap stations, NIO will receive a significant portion of that revenue. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.